Hi, this video will be covering Elementary and Intermediate Algebra, Chapter 4.2. In this video, we'll be covering combining like terms and simplifying expressions. So, if a term has a constant and a variable, the constant is known as the coefficient. If there is no constant, the coefficient is just 1. So, in a term, let's just take the term 5x. The coefficient is 5. Like terms are terms that have the same variable raised to the same power. For example, 5x squared and 3x squared are like terms. Now, if two terms are not like each other, they are unlike terms. The 3x and 4y are unlike terms because they have different variables. And 6x squared and 7x cubed are unlike terms because even though they have the same variable, it's raised to different powers. We can combine the coefficients of like terms into a simpler combined like term. So if we have two like terms, such as ax and bx, we can use the distributive property to combine them, as ax plus bx is equal to a plus b times x. We can then add a and b to make a simpler term. So if we're simplifying 5x plus 6x, we can use the distributive property to group the constants, 5 plus 6 times x, which is equal to 11x. So now let's simplify 2x minus 6x. Using the distributive property, we can group the constant together and take the variable on the outside. So we have 2x minus 6x is equal to 2 minus x times x, which is equal to negative 4x. It's pretty simple, actually. And if we check our work, we'll find that this is equal to this. So simplifying expressions is just a process of rearranging the terms so that we can combine all the like terms. For example, let's simplify 2y plus 6x minus 8 plus 5 times the sum of x and y and minus 6. So first, let's break up the parentheses. So 2y plus 6x minus 8 plus 5x plus 5y minus 6. So first off, we can use the we want to make sure that we get the like terms right next to each other. So we can use the associative property to move 5y right next to 2y. So using the associative property, we get 2y plus 5y plus 6x. We want to use the associative property again to move x closer. So we have 6x plus 5x, and then we put the rest at the end, minus 8 minus 6. Okay, now we can add the like terms. So 2y plus 5y is the same as 2 plus 5 times y. So this is 7y plus 6, so we can simplify this as well, as we can combine these like terms. So 6 plus 5 times x, this is equal to 11x. And lastly, it's simple subtraction, minus 8 minus 6 equal to minus 14. So this is our simplified expression. So double checking your work. It is very easy to make mistakes when simplifying expressions. That's why it's very important to double check your work. The easiest way to double check is to plug in random numbers for the variables in both the original expression and the simplified one. If the results are equal, it means you did it correctly. If the results aren't equal, it means you made a mistake somewhere. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something from this video.